Here at Crystal Lake South at the theater, and look what has happened. The teams have been in and they've demolished the back sound wall. We're going to integrate all of the external conduits and external exit signs so that they're integrated into the new acoustical boards that we're going to put up to help control sound in the building. Seats are all gone. We patched the floor and painted it with an epoxy coating. Gentlemen in the back are starting to drill out the holes for the new seating, and as you can see in these boxes, the new seating's arrived, so everything is working on schedule. Even the paint work in here, the ceiling, the new wall colors, everything is going according to plan.